What's up, guys? It's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing. Now this here is going to be a pop filter for my new condenser mic here that I just installed. If you want to see the unboxing of this condenser mic, there you go. Go ahead and click it. Very inexpensive mic. Hopefully it sounds okay to you. But we got to get a pop filter for this. We don't want to be spitting into our mic. We don't want the P's and the T's and all that stuff to be crazy. Let's get a nice pop filter over this. And I went onto Amazon and I purchased this guy. This is the AOKEO pop filter, which curves right over your mic and out of the way, simple, easy to install, and then that'll take care of that pops and stuff. So it's got 3 layers, 3-layer filter, mic shield, very nice. Otherwise, yeah, pretty basic. Anyway, let's open it up. No black pin, guys. Open this guy up here. Pretty simple, nothing else in the box. Alright. Pretty nice, pretty simple, right? Slide the mic right into there and then it just kind of holds it. Alright, let me mute the mic and I'll put this over it. And there we go, guys. Pop filter installed, so now I can go as close as I want to the mic and not worry about, you know, all over it. So, pretty simple installation. Just slap it on there, adjust the rubber bands on there, and then that's it. I think it's very clean, very simple, out of the way. Nice. It's right there, guys. Simple. I'll leave a link to the description below if you want to pick up this pop filter for yourself. Simple, easy, looks fine, out of the way, done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys in the next video. Home theater rules. Raf out. See ya.